Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. The video of today, it's all about the laptop holder. So I know some of you guys, you might be having a setup like mine, but a little bit kind of different, but there are things which you really need on your setup, especially when it comes to your laptop, how much you treat it. Like mine, in my perspective, I just wanted the display to not even be on, because soon we're gonna replace the monitor here to another kind of stuff. So I was thinking so much that the laptop's supposed to go this way and go to the dock. So I purchased this kind of great and amazing tool online on AliExpress. By the way, this kind of tool is called vertical laptop stand. So this is a stand of a laptop which we're gonna unbox it and see what's inside. Now, for further ado, let's get started. So here we have it. As you guys can see, this is the laptop vertical stand. So we're gonna just unbox it. By the way, I just peeled out this one when I was picking it up at the postal. So you can see what's inside. We're getting some screws and Allen key here, which they're somewhere here, which is great. And what do we have here? Let me just keep the box aside. Now, what we have here is something which is so great. This is all about this kind of the laptop stand which is here. Now, as you can see, guys, this is the laptop stand which I wanted to stay there instead of this kind of like the old school stand which I had. So there's like a laptop stand, but this was a tablet stand, not a laptop stand, because I just forged it to keep it on holding the laptop for meantime, up to I get the laptop stand. Now finally we have the laptop stand, so we can see how much today we can set it up. So you can see here at the back we're having like screws, like the screws being connected. That's why we're being given the Allen key plus this one, which is something which is so great. There is no any kind of manual for this kind of laptop, vertical laptop stand, so beware if you purchase it. Just know that there's no manual. You just figure it out on the picture, whereby when that moment you're purchasing it online. Now I want mine to just stay this way. You can see how much it looks like, and we're gonna see how much it's gonna like hold the laptop and see how much it's gonna look like, which is something which is so great. Now I want you guys to rotate it this way as how much I'm doing. Now keep it somewhere here closely, just somewhere here, which is so awesome. Now we're gonna just keep the screws underneath somewhere here, just like that. Now just take your Allen key just like this way and remove all the screws, and we're having these washers. These are small things called the washers, I guess. I remember because my dad is an engineer, he told me that. So I guess these washers stays here inside here. Now I'm gonna keep it somewhere here and rotate it, and just like this way. Yeah, just like that. We have the screw here somewhere here, guys. As you can see, we're having the screw. Now it's time to roll up this screw a bit. Now just roll it up using the Allen key, just like that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Doing crazy dreaming.
but all the full description will be down below in the description. And by this video, it might be the pricing a little bit kind of downwards or upwards, I don't know, but it might be somewhere there, which is something which is so budget. So if you want having a setup which is so decent like that, which is so awesome, I recommend to check out the vertical stand, which is gonna be awesome. So I'll be seeing your smiley faces on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos guys. Peace.